my storytelling topic is the tree of chocolate. Okay. So some time ago, in a city, there was a house. In that house, there are there were three members. Chinky's mother, Chinky's father, and one homemade who worked there. Then when worked there. Then once upon Chinky's father come from office to home at midnight and told to Chinky, it's your birthday tomorrow. So what want you for your birthday? Then Chinky to father. No, dear father, you give me a gift for every birthday, but now I will give a big birthday party to my all friends. So father tells to Chinky, no, it's not a big deal. Sure, I will do that. Then Chinky's mother, then Chinky's was very happy to listen that. Then Chinky's mother went to her homemade and tell to you are it's Chinky's birthday tomorrow, so you are inviting for that and your son also. So after in the then Chinky then that homemade return to her home after completed that work and told as soon as he told his son to about Chinky's birthday tomorrow and you are also invited and his Chinky homemade son named Rahul. Rahul was very happy about that invitation. That then next day, Chinky's birthday, Rahul went there with his mother. And when he saw that big birthday party, he felt very happy because this kind of birthday party he has never seen in his life. So he felt very happy because he belonged to poor family and Chinky's belonged to a rich family. That's why. Then Chinky cut the cake and so much fun and so many friends of Chinky's ate cake with interest and Rahul also ate cake with interest. Then Rahul. Then after the end of party, and they enjoy a lot. They all are friends. Then after the end of party, Chinky's give a gift to all of his friends to goodbye present written gift written gift. Then Chinky's went to with Rahul and told him thank you so much Rahul for your coming and gave a gift. Then Rahul told to him and give that present and give a Cadbury to Rahul. After got that Cadbury, Rahul told to himself, I am done. I ate food a lot, so I am saving this Cadbury to another day. Then next day, Rahul come from his school, and when he come from his school, he was thinking that he reminded for his Cadbury, and when he ate that Cadbury, he found very tasty about his Cadbury. So he thought that he saved he ate little bit Cadbury and he would save for another day for that chocolate. Then next day he ate little bit again and saved for another day. Then after 2-3 weeks he ate that chocolate and he saw that the pieces of chocolates. Some left chocolates are Cadbury's pieces are left there. So he felt so sad because he don't want he uh, he never missed that never missed that chocolate Cadbury. So after some day ago, Rahul come from his school, and on the way he saw that he saw a big tree of mango, and he saw that tree, and he was thinking that he also grow that tree of chocolate, then he come from home and got some water and got that last pieces of chocolates, and come from that side, there was a big tree, and dug that ground a little bit hole, and put that chocolate on that like a seed, and cover that area, and laugh a lot because he would say that he would he would have a large tree of chocolate after some time, and he laughed a lot. Then there is a man walked from that side, was walking from that side, and he asked to Rahul, why are you laughing? So told that Rahul told all the process of that of his foolishness. So the man was also laughing. That man told to Rahul, oh, you are stupid people, stupid son, mean stupid son. You There was not a tree of chocolate. Then you are miss the left chocolate of yours with your greedily, because of your greedily. Then after that realized that Rahul was also cried turn in, nahin, Rahul laughed turned into cry. Okay, he cried, and he was thinking that I have missed my chocolate because of my greed. So the moral of the story is greed is bad. Don't be greedy. Okay, thank you so much.